Transform your Christmas dinner with irresistibly crispy roast potatoes, perfectly seasoned with our original potato seasoning. Start with a kilo of potatoes, peel them, halve them, and get ready to elevate your festive feast. Bring a pan of salted water to the boil and add the potatoes. Let them simmer gently for 3 to 5 minutes until slightly softened. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees, pour 150 ml of cooking oil into a baking tray and place it in the oven to heat. Drain the potatoes, give them a little shake in a bowl to rough up the edges. Now toss the potatoes in your Purity Original potato seasoning. Add the seasoned potatoes to the hot oil in a tray. Roast in the oven, turning them every 10 to 15 minutes for even crispiness. Cook for 45 minutes to an hour or until they're golden, crunchy and irresistible. Serve these perfect roast potatoes alongside your Christmas dinner and watch them disappear in no time. A festive classic done to perfection.